Maytag washer want drain. Drain pump. Sometimes, small objects or articles of clothing can get caught in the drain pump. To determine if anything is blocking the drain pump, remove the drain pump and check the pump for obstructions. If the drain pump is clear of obstructions, but is still noisy during the drain cycle, replace the drain pump. Clogged pump or hose. Sometimes, socks and other small articles of clothing can get into the drain system and clog the pump hose or the pump itself. Remove the hoses from the pump and check for any obstructions. Door lock motor and switch assembly. The door lock secures the washer door shut during operation. Once the washer door is closed, the washer can begin operating. If the washer door is not latched shut, the door switch will prevent the washer from operating. If the door lock is defective, the washer will not spin or start. The door lock can fail either mechanically or electrically. Inspect the door lock for damage. If the door lock is damaged or does not latch properly, replace it. To determine if the door lock has failed electrically, consult your washer's wiring diagram and use a multimeter to test each of the door lock switches for continuity. If one of the switches does not have continuity, replace the switch. Lid switch assembly. The lid switch assembly prevents the washer from spinning when the lid is open. If the lid switch assembly fails, the washer will not drain. To determine if the lid switch assembly is defective, use a multimeter to test each of the lid switches for continuity. If a lid switch does not have continuity, replace it. Water pump belt. Some older washing machines are equipped with a water pump belt. If the water pump belt is broken or worn out, the washer will not drain. Check the belt and replace it if it shows signs of excessive wear. Coin trap. Some washers are equipped with a coin trap to trap any foreign objects that enter the drain. The coin trap should be checked and cleaned periodically. If debris continues to accumulate in the coin trap will become clogged, and the washer will not drain properly. If the washer won't drain or is not draining properly, and the washer has a coin trap, remove the coin trap and clean it thoroughly. Drain hose. First, check the drain hose to determine if it is kinked, twisted, or bent. If the drain hose is bent, straighten it out. In addition, remove the drain hose and check it for obstructions. If the drain hose has any obstructions, try to remove them. If necessary, replace the drain hose. Door lock. Inspect the door strike assembly for damage. If the door strike is broken, replace it. The door strike is not repairable. If it is broken, you must replace it.